Hello YouTube, I have my first TCBM with Caboture free NTSU, and check her out. She's a really good friend and a really good trader. And I will start with show the cards that we traded for. It's 2 magic cards from Hard Gold Soul Silver, a Crobat from Mysterious Gesture, and she sent this and the next card in a top loader, so yeah, that's nice. And a Kingdra rare from Hard Gold Soul Silver Unleashed, so yeah, this and the Crobat in a top loader, so yes, that's nice. And I will show the extra she sent. A Wall Top from Rocket, Execute from Mysterious Gesture, Eevee from Mystic Dawns, Energy Removal 2 from Power Keepers, Mantine from Neo Genesis, Standler from Neo Genesis, and a Giovanni's Magic Card from Gym Challenge. So yeah, a awesome trade. And yeah, my first trade with my first TCBM. So yeah, check her out and see you next time.